Further south, this waterfront RV park in San Diego is brimming with activities, from kayak and paddleboard rentals to kid-friendly swimming pools and lagoons. Campland on the Bay is a 50-year tradition, offering more than 500 paved RV sites with full utility hookups, access to laundry and bathroom facilities, a game room, cantina, ice cream parlor, and hot tubs, all along Fiesta Bay. Boats are welcome in its own private marina, and a supersite, with its own private jacuzzi, bathroom and laundry facilities, and views of the Kendall Frost Wildlife Sanctuary, is available for big families. The campground, more like an estate, boasts a near-endless offering of amenities, including a skate park and concert stage. The staff also runs supervised kids programs so the adults can kick back with a cocktail on the beach. Always lively and occupying a hefty chunk of the San Diego coast, Campland is a vacation in itself. However, if you were to venture out, the resort is 4 miles from Mission Beach and just over 5 miles from Old Town. The scenic, rugged coastline of La Jolla is a 15-minute drive.